Do you guys want to know why my title and my thumbnail is question mark? Maybe that's what we are going to learn today. Yes, the question mark, the optional chaining in JavaScript. To understand that, let's say, okay, I'll just open my live server. Okay. The optional chaining. Let's say we have one object, okay? We have one object with key as cat and name. Let's say it's what? Meow sounding, okay? And if we try to access that, console.log of, there is a obj object, okay, dot cat. Within that we are accessing sound, okay. Let's put it in a variable. Let a equal to console.log of a. Okay, let's see the output in a console. See, meow. Okay, but what if there is a object that we are going to access, that is dog, that doesn't exist in a dictionary? It will throw an error. Type error, cannot read properties of undefined, because we didn't define the dog, right? At this time we don't need to throw an error. Rather than that, we have to perform some operations so that it will skip that error. That's a optional chaining. See, question mark, it will throw a value like undefined. See, the question mark, we are checking whether the value dog exists or not. If it exists, perform, like access this sound property. Otherwise it will be undefined rather than throwing an error. It is a optional chaining, optional one. Okay, interesting, right? Please check the link in a description for my playlist, JavaScript for web development. Thank you. And okay, let's skip this. If you're performing some string operations, okay, there is a value a. See, there is a 48574 which is an integer, and we are performing like toString, and it will store here. But what if there is no value for a? It will throw an error, right? But if we use the question mark, it will don't throw an error, it will print like undefined. So our flow, like our whole code flow, won't be stopped at a particular place. Rather, it will print like undefined, and it will start executing. It will resume the execution. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.